What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money today. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money the remainder of this week. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to talk to you about how the market was today. And I'm going to give you guys a couple of plays that could probably make us some money. So, with that being said, you already know how it go. Veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow. And for that, I appreciate you guys so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch this video from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process. And the YouTube algorithm is going to love me. So for that, I'm going to love you.
Oh,
and listen, if you're new to the channel, you interested in the stock market, I'm your boy. I'm the Options Boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. So what you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jews, YouTube is going to make sure you get it. First things first, right off the press, so you can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, what a nice day it was. What a start to the week. Guys, I called my shot. I don't want to say I called my shot completely. Let me take that back. But it looks like I may have possibly called my shot. Yesterday, being Sunday, today is Monday when I'm dropping this video, I mentioned in my Facebook group that we were going to have a big week this week in the Options group chat. And I was going to have a great start to the week and lead us through the week and have a big number in our spreadsheet. And sure enough, what happened today? Today got off to a great start. We got some very nice wins, a lot of nice plays with tech stocks. They really did the job for us and got us off to a great start. So I'm excited about that. My spreadsheet is green. The members of the group chat is happy. I'm happy about that. And guys, listen, if you watch this video from time to time, you see this channel, you see the knowledge, the information that I'm dropping, get yourself in the paid options group chat. What are you waiting for? Invest in yourself. Let's make some money together. Drop a comment down below and ask about that options group chat so I can get you in there. Listen, this week I'm going to give you guys 3 plays. When these plays print out, definitely come back and let me know that you want parts of the options group chat. But like I said, guys, everybody was happy. It was a good start to the week. SPY was strong. It got weak for a minute midday. Then we had a nice little push. We did pull back towards the end of the day, and then we had another push to end the day. So it was very strong, very consistent day, and I love to see a day like that. QQQ was strong. It was very nice. Kind of sort of the same story as SPY. We got a little stagnant midday. Then we pushed up. Then we had another little pullback, and then we finished the day strong. So it was very nice, and it made for lots of opportunity to make money on tech plays. My crew, my options group chat, we got into a few plays of tech stocks, and they made money for us, and it was a good day because of that. So I'm definitely anxious to see what tomorrow holds. That being the case, guys, you want to look at the market and you want to see if SPY can continue to be bullish over that 450 level. That's going to be a nice level. That's going to be a level that's going to push us further and keep this thing going strong. If we can be over 450, SPY is going to be bullish. And as crazy as it may sound, this thing may run up until the interest rate start getting pushed up a bit, and then we may see another pullback again. But this thing could possibly run up until interest rates. You also got to keep in mind, Apple had earnings, they were strong. Tesla had earnings, they were strong, even though Tesla pulled back still on earnings. And Microsoft had earnings, and they were strong. So when you got 3 big stocks like that throwing out good earnings reports, that's definitely going to do good for the market itself. And this is earnings week. We got more big companies coming. You know, we got Facebook coming. We got Nvidia, AMD. A few big companies coming this week. So this is going to be a very important week as well. And if we could get through this week bullishly, I believe we are set up to keep going as long as the interest rate increase doesn't happen. When the interest rate increase happens, we are going to pull back. But I think it'll be something that will recover in time. Sort of how we are recovering right now from even the thought of interest rates increase being on the horizon a few times this year. So That's what we're looking at. Now, last week, guys, I dropped 3 plays that I thought could make us some money. And I want to link that video right up here for you guys. I want you to go check that video out. And I want you to see how those plays did last week. Then, I want you to come back and check this video out. And when I give you 3 more plays, and these plays print, just like last week plays print, then you will know for sure that you need to be in the paid options group chat, guys. Not only do we make money, but we learn. And that's what I try to tell people. I want people that want to learn. I don't want you to just want money. I want you to learn. Because if you just want money, a lot of times you won't really make that money because you don't know why you're not making it. Or you don't know why you are making it. So that's why I'm all about learning and making money. If you're about learning and making money, then you definitely need to be in the paid options group chat. So guys, like I said, I got 3 plays for us. They're going to make us some money. I'm going to get to those charts. I'm going to pull up the charts. I'm going to show you what I like about the play, where I would like to enter the play. And that's going to help you learn a bit. And that's going to make you a bit more confident in why these plays can do us some good. So with that being said, guys, we're going to dive into those charts. And we're going to dive into those charts now. All right, guys. So the first play that I got that I want you guys to check out is none other than GS. That's right, guys. We're talking about Goldman Sachs. Now, listen, guys. Full transparency. I wanted to enter into Goldman Sachs today, but I was not able to get in today. Looking for the right entry. And now I'm going to show you guys where the next entry on Goldman Sachs is going to be. And when I find that entry, I'm going to be looking to get the options group chat in calls in this company. And I hope if you like this play and you like this setup, you'll be looking to get yourself in calls as well. Now, this is the chart. This is where we are if you see my mouse on the screen. So you got the nice pulled back right here. And then you kind of bounce off of that area, which is what you want to see. So this candle right here was today's candle. This candle opened at 344.60, got as high as 355.21, got as low as 343.44, and closed at 354.68. So it was a bullish day, and it was a nice bullish day. Now, I wanted to get that entry around this 350 area. I did miss that entry. I could have forced it and jumped in after the fact, but I didn't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on this Goldman Sachs play, and I would like to see Goldman Sachs break this area. This candle right here is the highest candle in this range, and the high of that candle is 361.57. So guys, if I could see Goldman Sachs trading above 361.57, I like that it's in that area. It has a gap above the fill, and I think it can start working towards filling that gap. That's going to be my Goldman Sachs play. I'm waiting above 361.57. Guys, when I drop these plays, it's very important that you understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying, yo, go buy this play at 9:30. I'm not saying anything along these lines. What I'm saying is look for an entry. That's what I want you guys to learn from this channel. If nothing else, look for an entry. That's my entry. If you want to know why that's a good entry, then you should go down below and sign up for tier 3 of my options group chat, where I explain things about how, along the lines of how to get good entries into stocks and why good entries are key when you're entering into stocks. So with that being the case, like I said, above 360, 361.57, I want in. And if I get in, I realize that I have a recent gap to fill. There's no real resistance in this area. If you go back some time, all right, if you take it to 361, that 361 area, let's see if I can get my mouse on it. If you take it to this area, you can go up. If you're going back in recent history, you can run it up to about 370. So that's the next area of any kind of resistance right there. Now, if you're going off of recent times, like I was saying, you have a gap to fill. However, over the course of time, yeah, you do have some resistance around 370. But a $10 move, that's a nice move on Goldman Sachs. If that could be, I'd be very happy to take profit on that type of play. So, Goldman Sachs, keep it in mind. Guys, the next play I'm going to show you, we actually ate off of this play today, and I am not sure that it's done. I believe that there's more there, and I would not be surprised to see ourselves in this play again tomorrow. And that is ticker symbol TSLA. Yes, guys, you already know what it is. It's Tesla. We made so much money off Tesla today. It was really, really, really a great thing to see. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what Tesla can do tomorrow. Now, showing you this chart. Looking at Tesla. And I hit the wrong button right there. So let me back that up so you guys can see Tesla. There we go. Looking at Tesla, guys, you will see this hammer candle right here. And what do we have after the hammer? That good confirmation. And if you know one thing about the boss, you know I love me confirmation after a hammer. So that's the confirmation right there, that big bull candle. Now, what did that big bull candle do? That big bull candle took out the 200-day EMA, which is the purple line underneath it, which is great. It got us closer to the 100-day EMA, which is the blue line above it, which is great. Now, that candle opened at 872.82. It got as high as 937.99. It got as low as 862.05. And it closed at 936.72. So it closed towards the top. This was a big move here, guys. This was a huge move for Tesla. And I like that move because it puts us in a good position right here. So now what I'm looking for is I am looking for this area. Let's see if I can get it. This area right here, guys. If I can get this 950-ish area right here, if I can get this this area right here, let me see if I can get on this candle. This candle right here is the one I'm looking at, and the high of that candle is 951. If I can get Tesla above that 951 area, then I think Tesla can move up even further, and you can see Tesla probably around this area, this 998 area. That's the next area that I will have some concern with as far as resistance go. So above 951, Tesla has plenty of room to make another big move like it did today. Again, I'm not jumping in Tesla first thing in the morning per se, unless it goes crazy in pre-market and after hours. But I am going to have my eyes on Tesla. And if I see that right entry, I'm definitely going to be in there. So what I'm looking for the high of, what candle was that again? That was this candle right here. I'm looking for the high of that candle, which is 951.26. Above 951.26, I'm jumping in and I'm going to be pretty aggressive with it and see if Tesla is going to do its thing. So keep your eyes on Tesla, and it could possibly be a moneymaker for us. If not tomorrow, then one day this week when it busts through that key area. And guys, I also want to show you another play. And that play that I want to pull up for you guys. Let's see here if I can get that on my screen. Ticker symbol NFLX. Guys, just like Tesla, we made good money off of NFLX today. Took profit on a couple of plays, I believe. And yet, and still, with that being the case, there is more money to be made, I believe. Now, NFLX fell way down after earnings. They had earnings that was not so great. Big gap down. You'll see all this space in between from that candle to this candle. That's a big gap down. So what did we do? We hit that bottom, and then we started consolidating a bit, and we finally got completely up with this candle. And this candle, the gap up right here is important because it takes us out of that consolidation range. So now that it took us out of that consolidation range, we have a recent gap, same as Tesla, to fill right here. And unlike Tesla, this one is a little bit better because there's no real resistance in this area. If I go to the top of this candle, right here, there's no real resistance anywhere anytime soon. The next area of resistance will be all the way around this area, which is still below the gap being completely filled, and that's around 499.40. So that's a huge run of space that NFLX could potentially have. And the only thing they need is for the market to be any kind of bullish whatsoever. If the market is any kind of bullish, NFLX should make us some good money. This candle right here that we traded today, this candle opened the day at 402.40, It got as high as 427.70. It got as low as 398.20. And it closed at 427.14. So it closed towards the top today. And that was a great sign. Like I said, any type of bullishness whatsoever, and this thing has a huge gap to fill, you definitely can make some money if the market is going to be bullish in NFL X calls, because it's set up to make a big move. So I'm very excited about this potential play. I'm very excited about the 3 plays I gave you guys last week. If you didn't check it out in the cards, I'm going to link the video right here also. I really want you guys to see. I dropped 3 plays, and I want you to see how those 3 plays did. And then I want you to come get yourself in the paid options group chat. Guys, you can always be a boss with the options boss. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.